Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to invite friends to your Snapchat account. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. To start, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. You'll find the app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Next, navigate to the top left corner of the screen and tap on your avatar or profile picture. This will take you to your profile page. Once on your profile page, locate and tap on the Add Friends option. This will allow you to add new friends to your Snapchat account. After tapping on Add Friends, select the Invite Your Friends option. This will prompt you to send invitations to your contacts to join you on Snapchat. Now, under the Invite Via section, choose the method through which you want to send the invitations. You can select from options like SMS, email, or other messaging apps to invite your friends. By following these easy steps, you can seamlessly invite your friends to connect with you on Snapchat and enjoy sharing moments together on the platform. Don't miss out on the fun and excitement of connecting with your friends through Snapchat. Start inviting them today and enhance your social experience on the app.